Hello my friends, welcome to Untitled channel. This is Uncommissioned. Today we got a case for the phone which we reviewed recently. So because I'm going a lot into like camping trip, canoeing, kayaking, mountain biking, cycling, hiking, I decided to protect my latest Google Pixel 8 Pro with the best protection possible. So we went for OtterBox Defender series case. Looks like it's quite beefy case here, and it already scares me how big is it. Okay, we're gonna see how good it looks. I went for this bluish one because all my cases were black, and I decided like let's change. All right, so obviously it's OtterBox. It's one of the best cases ever made. You know, all this marketing paraphernalia: drop tested, multi-year defense, drop resistant, rubber grip, and wireless charging compatible. Yeah, we're gonna check that for sure. Recycled plastic holster kickstand, port cover block. That's good. So let's just open it and see where are we. Okay. Something stuck. What are you doing here? Alright. Okay, so this is the case. It is baby jeans blue or something to this extent kind of color. So install. It's like quite a bit of a procedure of install, and there is a belt. I don't really need this belt clip holster. I'm not even sure why they actually push me to buy it, because it looks like there is no way you can buy option without it, which is unfortunate. What I need, it may be useful, like I may kind of try MacGyver something with this in the car. What is it supposed to rotate or something? Yeah. Maybe I use like a car hole, like, oh my god, this is massive. Look at this. Look at that. This is crazy. And how does it work as a kickstand? Do not understand. I don't need this. Okay, so now is the most interesting part, the case itself. So it looks like it consists of two pieces. So one piece is like inside. How do I separate them? So let's go together through the procedure of actually installing the phone in the case. So here's the phone, but be patient, it's not there yet. So now we have to take it apart. So in order to put this because that's not gonna fit in here, no way. So how do you do that? Take a look at this. So start from the bigger side. Use your nails if you don't have, use some kind of plasticky tool in order to start here. And then when you start on one side, you can just easily go on the perimeter. And just like that. Essentially remove this outer rubber skin out of it. And then inside, be careful, be gentle. And inside you'll see this plastic tray. But that's not over yet. So you have clips here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, using your nails, you can do this, unclick them on the perimeter. Looks like this one is stubborn, and the last one on top. Okay, now you have three pieces: the bottom tray, the lock, and the rubber cover. So now place your phone in here, just like so. Then put it. Call it lock for the lack of better name. Or just like this. Okay, now insert it in the rubber shell or skin and just wrap it up like a little baby, nice and snug. Okay, so here we have it. Obviously very important to be nice and snug around the camera. So here we have it. So now the phone is completely covered. Wow, very good, but very beefy. So I don't know what to think, and before I go start using them, let me do something. So first of all, let's measure dimensions. So in this case, gonna set you back for about, oh my god, almost 15 millimeters. Okay, this is including the camera protrusion and this lip. Okay, let me do another. I'm not sure if that's gonna be, I want to understand how far from the screen this display is. It's very not easy to do. Okay, looks like something like, should be more than that. It's about 1.4 millimeters, so that's the distance between this lip and the glass. It will be even harder to measure distance between this lip and the camera glass. The reason I'm doing this because I want to understand how good is protection if this thing gonna smack the rock, right? Or anything else for that matter. This even less. It's probably like 0.9 or something. I don't even know if I can do that. Okay, here we are. I did it. So 0.8 millimeter. That's the distance between this and that. Like, you know what I mean? Alright. Okay, another thing, parameter you want to measure. How heavy is this all now? So phone weighs, I think, like 230 grams, 236 grams. So now this is extra 50 grams. Yep. Wow, this is crazy. So this thing is huge. Well, I mean, the size parameters obviously you can find on the internet, but so I can give you, so 86 millimeters wide and probably 170 millimeters tall. And as I mentioned, 15 millimeters this way. So this is quite a brick here. So I'm honestly not sure. Let me use it for a bit and see where we end up with, because at the moment I feel kind of, whoa, I'm kind of shocked. This is a little bit too big. Yeah, guys, so please tell me your opinion. If you are a user of Pixel 7 Pro or Pixel 8 Pro, please tell me how do you feel about these sort of cases, because I'm not sold, I must say. I'm not sold because this is super beefy, but I like it. It's probably going to be an ultimate protection. Also, I have to add a screen protector here. Very, very important part. I'm not even sure if screen protector exists for the camera. I hope it does, because that's, you know, that's a pretty big protruding thing here. So I'd like to protect screen as well, but the sides of the phone, in case it's gonna hit something, definitely gonna be protected. I'm not sure what's gonna happen if it's gonna hit like this. We'll see, but so far so good. But it's so big and so heavy that even the fact that it's so big and heavy actually make it more susceptible to damage, because a bigger surface, heavier impact. But on the other hand, it's not gonna slip off your hand if in this case it's much more rubbery, it's much more texturized, so you're not gonna lose it, not gonna slip off your hand. So that's nice. So yeah, please, I would like to know your opinion. What do you think? If you're a user of Pixel 7 or Pixel 8 and you're using this kind of case, what do you think about it? Yeah, my previous experience with OtterBox case was actually good. I like it in my LG G7, I mean, so it's very good. So let's try to use this for a bit and see how that goes. If it's gonna be super bulky and annoying, I'm gonna probably return it and get something less big. But this one, so far so good, but very intimidating. So guys, please leave your opinion down below. If you like such video, please subscribe, please like, comment. I'll be happy to hear from you, and see you next time. Stay safe and ciao. And a bonus video, how to engage this kickstand. Because of this latch, I'm not sure how long it's gonna last, but this is how it works. Then to disengage, you have to kind of... And here we are. Easy peasy. And the very last question in this saga of this OtterBox case, we're gonna try wireless charging. So here's the wireless charging, which was featured in this video, and here's the Galaxy Google Pixel 8 Pro, and it is charging, fully charging. So yes, this charger is not as fast, but it still works all the way through the case, and it's not the fanciest charger. Yeah, this is like Dollarama style charger. So yeah, it's working.